the comments.
Yes.
Today we're playing Exploding Kittens.
Meow.
Yay.
And it's also getting viewers.
Yay. It's going to take a while.
Yeah. Actually, we know how to play this game. It's a new game for her. For Lily.
The new game. Yay.
Yeah.
So,
Me and Xander here have this game. It's awesome and fun. No, don't move the viewers. Not the viewers.
You know what? Diana put lava.
Xander,
You
don't
can't see the screen now.
Don't say that to the viewers.
The viewers are God. They decide if my videos go on trending.
Yes, they do. And she wants #1 trending on YouTube.
You have to have #1 trending.
Yes, I want views and money.
Please subscribe to this channel. She only has
Do you
26
actually
subscribers.
get money from this?
You could.
Oh, and subscribe to her channel because she only has 26 subscribers.
Okay, so we have the Exploding Kitten cards and the Diffuse card.
So we should have 2 of these in the deck.
I
because
get-
there are 3 of us.
I get the
We
kitten
each
therapy.
get a Diffuse card.
I get the kitten therapy.
Kitten therapy.
Kitten.
I got it.
Where the flip is kitten therapy. Kitten therapy.
Whatever.
The
So,
catnip sandwich.
show them what diffuser you're gonna get.
I have the laser pointer.
That's one of the
Put it closer to the camera.
so
There,
they can
that's
only
good.
see that. Anyway.
Well, guys, read what this says. It says, let's see, #1, belly rub. #2, endure blood and agony. #3, quietly weep. #4, keep rubbing belly.
Okay, so these are the 2 ones we need in the deck.
Yes.
Each get 7 cards.
Wait.
We need.
No, use this one. This one's the best. This one's
Yay,
the
the
funniest.
nuclear explosion.
And who the flip would have a grenade in there?
The world's gonna end from coronavirus. This is what's gonna happen, but instead of it, the world blowing up, the world's gonna get the virus and everyone's gonna die and I'm gonna be dead and everything's so dark.
You guys are dark.
Yes, I am.
You know what you need? You need some kitten therapy.
No, I don't.
This too.
My dark ways are the best.
You know what?
Last
This
night
is
I
what
won
you
this
need.
game.
This is what he needs, guys. It's
I
a
need-
rainbow Rolfing cat. This is what you need. Eat it.
Yay.
Okay. Does anyone know how to shuffle?
No.
No.
Neither do I. Let's get Nick in here. He knows how.
Hey, Nick.
I'm not shuffling every time you need someone to
We
shuffle.
don't know how to shuffle.
I'll show you how to shuffle.
We need someone to shuffle it.
Nick is the shuffler. Shuffler.
His name is
Do this, you can shuffle.
His name is the
You,
Shuffle.
if you can't shuffle very well, you can just shuffle like this. Just pull some out and just kind of mix them together.
He is the shuffler.
Or
Do the Cupid shuffle. I need to put on my glasses. Can you get me my glasses, Mommy? Nick, can you pour me some tea? Do you guys want some tea?
we don't have much left.
I want some tea. Wait, didn't Mommy get me root beer last night?
Yes.
Can I have some root beer? Thank you.
Anything else, Your Majesty?
Could I have a can?
Can you pour
Would
it?
you like a root beer?
Yes,
I
please.
would like a
Sure.
I would
Root
like a
beer is the
straw.
best drink.
I would like a straw, please.
Would you like something?
Sure.
Mikey,
Well, I have the Coke left.
I would
Sure,
like
I'll take a Coke.
I would like a straw, please.
That's diet.
Yeah, they probably don't want that.
Mommy, I would like a straw, please. I'm scared of cutting my lip. Or my tongue.
Drinking it out of the can is the best. Grab a
Thank you.
pink one.
You want a straw?
No,
I'm good.
thank you.
Save the turtles.
Save the turtles.
The twerkers. The twerker.
The tortoise.
So the cards have been shuffled.
Oh, and all these go in the deck. All these go in the deck
Okay,
too.
who?
So now put them somewhere random in the deck.
They don't go in the deck, do they?
Yes, they
Yeah.
do.
Yeah, they do.
Now just take them and shove them in the deck in random spots.
Last night when we played, we didn't put them in the deck. So I
Each of them go in random spots.
I don't feel any more pain.
Take one and put it in a random spot. One.
What face did I? Oh, wait, describe this face.
The
Describe this face,
cocaine
viewers.
face. Okay, who wants to do the honors?
I will.
That means I'll be going first.
Okay then. Wait, how do I do this again? You take it.
Wait, you get 4 cards.
Yeah. One.
I go biking every day. Yeah, I can't open a Coke.
Two.
Aha! Thank you.
Three.
You're gonna rip your lip out if you actually. You may cut your lip if you actually rip this thing off.
Yeah,
Okay.
that's why I use straw.
So yeah, I'm used to opening up cans. I love
Grab your
doing
cards. And now, wait. Once you have your cards, let's show the viewers our cards. So, guys, you two close your eyes. I'm gonna show them my cards first.
Wait, where's my diffuse that I had? My
Wait, we're supposed to get 7 cards.
where's my catnips? No.
Yeah,
7?
you get 7 cards.
Okay, cool then. And hey, stop it, cheater.
I'm trying to help you find it.
4. So 5, 6, 7.
We each get the.
Okay, so I'm
Where's
going
my
first.
catnip sandwich?
Okay,
My catnip
just show your cards first, Grady.
Me? Okay. You two close your eyes.
Okay.
Right. Okay, my cards are done.
My turn. Close.
Close. Hey, can't see it.
You're looking. You big dork.
No, I'm not. I'm looking at that sign.
Don't be a dork. Come on. You're lying.
I'm not lying. Now shut up.
Girls, you're both pretty. Calm down.
Okay, I'm going to say this once. Please shut up.
That was rude.
I'm saying that sign over there, that's what I was looking at. Read all of it.
I'm
Mention
just
each of
looking at my
you
cards.
have died.
Try to-
Okay, show them to the viewers.
Okay, everyone close your eyes. I don't think it really matters if anyone sees the.
It matters. It matters.
Oh, it matters.
Why?
Is if let's say someone gets a favor and they know which card they have and they have this card and they're like, I know they have this card, so I'm not gonna give it to them. That's why.
But the cars.
God.
But the cars.
We'll take the discard pile and put it here.
Are you ready?
And this.
First to look.
It's a discard
Can I look? I'm gonna look.
This. Yeah. Okay, so I'm taking this. Put my cards in.
Okay, cool. I'm taking this to put my. I'm taking this.
Okay.
All taken. Actually, I don't need it.
I will put the discard.
Wait, I'm gonna sit over here.
These are the discard cards. I will
I'm
put
sorry,
them
I just don't
upside
trust you. I have to move. I have to move away.
Xander, you're
I
gonna be able to
I
see.
just don't trust
And the
Uh-huh.
okay, this discard pile right here,
this card file.
and then this will be so discard
Mhm.
and
Draw card.
draw cards.
You can't have one of those in the discard.
Doesn't
can't.
matter.
Those are the ones we don't use.
Oh, okay,
Yeah.
then yeah, it's fine.
Just
Okay, everyone ready?
for people who like are into
Take a look and see. Xander! Now you're looking at my cards. Now I have to get
I'm
new
sorry.
cards.
This might take a while, but
Exploding Kittens, a card game for people who are into kittens and explosions and laser beams and sometimes goats.
Okay, now I have to get new cards.
I didn't see all.
why?
Because nearly that was showing.
Okay. Well, now we saw them. You want me? Okay. Put it there.
Everybody, give me a big yeet.
Yeet.
Okay, now I have to show the viewers my cards again.
Wait, they can't see your face. They can't see your face. You're the main person.
I am.
Wait, now I have to show the viewers my cards again. So it's look away or close your eyes.
Can have it.
Viewers, I'm not talking to you.
Now I can see my face.
Close your eyes. Okay. Xander, shut up.
Laughing. That sign is just so funny.
You aren't even.
Wait, how are you looking at the sign if your eyes were closed?
My eyes weren't closed. I was looking at the sign.
Many have eaten here, few have died.
Okay, guys, I'm ready.
What does
Okay.
that even mean?
What?
Many have eaten here, few have died. What does it mean?
It means that the food is good and few people have died from eating here.
So that implies that her food may be deadly. Him and or her.
Yeah.
Okay, guys, take your
Whichever
lucky
cooks.
sip. Let's begin.
Nick cooks. He's the cook of the
Okay.
house. He's the everything of the house.
Okay, take a sip. So I'm going first. Let's see. Pink. Roll. Okay. Lily, it's your turn.
Well, Xander, tell Grady that he has to do me a favor.
Do her a favor,
Grady,
or I'll punch you in the face.
I need a back hair shampoo.
Okay.
Well,
Yeah,
you need to shampoo my back hair while
No.
I read Back Hair Monthly.
No,
Give me
you
a card.
shampooed my back hair, so I'm giving you a favor. There you go. Don't let Xander see it.
Okay.
I'm gonna love. I'm Batman.
Just turn into Terminator.
Batman's
Batman.
favorite superhero.
I love this card.
Oh,
It's completely useless.
It's the beard cat, I know it.
No, it's completely useless.
Just tell me.
no, the card that I gave you isn't
Just
completely
Give you a hint, it's hairy.
useless. The card that I gave
Hairy
you
potato
isn't
cat.
useless.
I know it's useless.
It's the
because
hairy
I
potato
don't have
cat.
a match.
I know it's the hairy potato cat.
I don't have a match right now, so it's completely useless to me right now.
Yeah. Okay.
It's
Lily,
complete
pick up a card, and then your turn is ended. Pick up a card. Whenever you want to, you can pick up a card.
Ooh.
What? Ooh la la.
Ooh la la.
Oh, it's my turn?
Mhm.
Give me a favor, you stinky pile of trash.
Me? Why is everybody coming for me?
You were
You.
Wait,
enslaved
Xander.
by some party
Wait,
squirrel, so he needs
Xander,
a
give me that
favor.
back.
Xander got enslaved by some party squirrel,
Okay,
so he
thanks.
needs a favor.
Thanks
Nope.
for that. Xander, put that back. You can't take it.
Oh, well, I say yes.
Xander, you can't take it.
No, I
you
didn't
can't.
take it. This is mine.
And I say no.
Nope. To a nope. Okay. What?
Nope plus nope equals yes.
So when I say no, and Xander lays down a nope on top of that, he's saying yes. And when I lay down a nope on top of that, that means no. That's what it means.
Like, so he says, no, I won't. And then I say, yes, you will. And he's like,
No, I won't.
One time that went on like 5 times between me and my mom. I'm like, no, yes, no, yes, no, yes, no. And Xander even joined in and said no for me.
So it's my turn, right?
you're disgusting.
Xander still has to pick up a card.
Xander.
Wait,
Xander has to pick up a card, then it's my turn, then it's
Xander, I summon the catermelon.
It's my turn.
Yeah, it is.
I thought it was my turn. Who's turn? How? What?
And maybe we should just stop playing this board game.
You know what? I'm going to attack.
Which way are we going?
I'm going to attack you, Lily. We're
Let's-
going clockwise.
Okay.
You want to just...
I attack you, now you have to take both of our turns.
This is getting confusing.
You have to take both of our turns.
It's okay. It'll make sense the longer we play.
It'll make sense.
Take both of our turns, Lily.
It'll all
I'm
make
attacking
sense, sir.
Oh no.
He's attacked you.
Well,
Clash of Clans.
I use.
Supersonic.
I summon my catermelon upon Xander.
You summon your cat.
Yeah.
My catermelon.
That doesn't even
Huh.
count as a turn. You have to take 2 cards for it to count as both of our turns.
Yeah.
That's what I have to do.
No, I get to take it.
Yeah, you have to take 2 cards.
That's it. That's what attack means.
Says end your card without drawing a card. Force the player to take 2 turns, not to take 2 cards. So I can use a card and then I can.
Yeah,
pick a
your
card.
turn means you pick up a card.
Yeah.
And that was your turn.
And then I'd have to take another turn.
Yeah. That's what
okay,
it means. So
so
you
I
picked
summon-
up 1 card.
I summon the catermelon.
Yeah, and you can do whatever you want in between both of your turns. So.
Okay, I summon the catermelon upon Xander.
Okay, then
Any random card.
I have to give you a card.
No, she has to pick a card.
Oh,
That's
yeah,
a
you
favor.
have to
You
pick one.
pick any card.
Close your eyes. Close your eyes.
No, she can open her eyes. She can open her eyes, Xander. She just can't.
Take it.
She can look at
Give me the freaking card.
You took a card.
Xander, do not show me your cards like that. You're lucky I only saw 1.
He's looking at it.
Okay, so
Wait,
Lily,
we have-
if
we
you want
have
to draw another card, your
We have
turn's
something
on.
funny. What if somebody goes out to school naked and does like the John Cena thing, like you can't see me, and actually think it works, and then they get expelled?
Wait,
Oh, that'd be
but
so
they
dumb.
were like,
That'd be
they were in
hilarious.
their underwear, and they were like, John Cena.
You can't see this.
You can't see this.
And then they got expelled from school because from being in their underwear, and they're like, crap. I
Oh
thought
wait,
it would work.
have we told you about one of the kids at my mom's school once? Well, he was playing and his pants were loose and his pants and underwear fell down and he just stepped out of them and ran.
Xander, it's your turn.
Yes.
But you didn't draw your second card.
You didn't draw your second card.
Okay.
Why do we sound so menacing?
You are evil.
Because you're a stupid idiot.
Because we are
Shuffle
evil.
the cards. I'm Batman.
You heard him. Shuffle the cards.
Oh, okay.
Shuffle them.
I'm the shuffler.
Yes. Wait,
The
you're the shuffle
shuffler.
master.
Shuffle master.
No, literally, just take a few cards from
Ah.
this.
Bah humbug. That's good enough.
Bah humbug, stop it. Stop. When I say stop, stop it.
What? Rude. Yes, it's a card. It's a card puss. Card octopus.
You can't show anybody the cards. Except the viewers.
Stop. Okay. Stop. Stop shuffling.
Sorry, viewers. You can't see this. Okay. You're good.
Okay.
Okay. Quit showing us the cards.
Sorry.
Just put them down.
Just
Put
don't
them down.
look.
Put them down. We said put them down.
I'm making them straight.
Yeet. There.
They're straight.
Nobody cares if they're straight.
Give it straight now.
Can we finish our drinks and just go outside? Outside is
Well, we got the game of life. You guys want to play that?
no.
That would have to be a very gooder game. That'd be a gooder game.
Gooder.
Gooder
No,
game.
that takes so long. I just want to go outside.
Let's just play in Lily's room.
Yeah.
How does that sound?
We'll hang out in your room and kill Sims.
I want to play some board games and some games.
Okay then.
We can play the game of life if you want. It's probably easier than this.
I played it before.
Let's play the game of life, everybody.
We're gonna need a bigger surface than this to play.
We're changing games.
It's fine. We have a big surface. We have a big surface.
Can I stop the recording? It's making it way more stressful.
Yes.
Bye bye, guys.